Friend, welcome to my math club channel. In today's video I will tell you about types of matrices in a simple language. If you notice it soon, watch the full video. Now the types of matrices. The first type is row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. It is of order 1 cross n where n is greater than or equal to the 1 means जिस मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ वन ही रो रहेंगे तब उस मैट्रिक्स को हम रो मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. नाउ दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. नाउ द सेकंड टाइप इज कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. A matrix having only one column is called as a column matrix. It is of order m cross 1 where m is greater than or equal to the 1 means जिस मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ वन ही कॉलम रहेंगे तब उस मैट्रिक्स को हम कॉलम मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. दिस इज द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल. Third type is zero or null matrix. A matrix in which every element is zero is called as a zero or null matrix. It is denoted by zero means जिस मैट्रिक्स में all the elements are zero रहेंगे तब उस मैट्रिक्स को हम zero मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. This is the following example. Now the fourth type is square matrix. A matrix having same number of rows and column is called as a square matrix. The order of the square matrix is of the form n cross n and the matrix will be referred as a matrix of order n. Now I have given an example below. Look carefully. Now given some remarks. Remember that it will work while solving the problem. Let's A is equal to the Aij n cross n be a square matrix of order n. Then the first is the element a11, a22, aii dot ann are called the diagonal elements of matrix A. Note that the diagonal elements are defined only for a square matrix. Now the second is the elements aij where I is not equal to the j are called non-diagonal elements of matrix A. Third is the elements aij where I is less than j represents the elements above the diagonals. Fourth is elements aij where I is greater than j represents elements below the diagonal. Fifth type is diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which every non-diagonal element is zero is called as a diagonal matrix. Now this is the example. Now the note is given that if a11, a22, a33 are diagonal elements of a diagonal matrix D of order 3, then we write the matrix D as D is equal to the diagonal a11, a22, a33. Sixth type is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called as scalar matrix. Now this is the example. The seventh unit matrix. A scalar in which a diagonal element is 1 is called as a unit matrix or an identity matrix. Identity matrix of order n is denoted by in. Now this is the example. Type 8 upper triangular matrix. A square matrix in which every element below the diagonal is 0 is called an upper triangular matrix. A matrix A is equal to the aij n cross n is upper triangular if aij is equal to the 0 for all I is greater than j means diagonal के नीचे के एलिमेंट 0 रहेंगे तब उस मैट्रिक्स को हम अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. Now this is the example. Now similarly the type 9 lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which every above the diagonal is 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. A matrix A is equal to the aij n cross n is upper triangular if aij is equal to the 0 for all I is less than j means डायगोनल के ऊपर के एलिमेंट 0 रहेंगे तब उस मैट्रिक्स को हम लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. नाउ दिस इज द एग्जांपल एंड द नोट इज गिवन दैट द फर्स्ट नोट इज अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स A is equal to the aij n cross n is a triangular matrix if A is either upper triangular or a lower triangular matrix. Second is the trigonal scalars and unit matrices are always triangular matrices. The zero square matrix is also a triangular matrix. Type 10 symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to the aij n cross n in which aij is equal to the aji for all I and j is called a symmetric matrix. Now this is the following example. Type 11 skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to the aii n cross n in which aij is equal to the minus aji for all I and j is called a skew symmetric matrix. Here for I is equal to the j, aii is equal to the minus aii, therefore twice aii is equal to the 0, therefore aii is equal to the 0. for all I is equal to the 1 2 dot 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 n. Therefore, in skew symmetric matrix, each diagonal element is 0. Now this is the example, and the note is given that a null square matrix is always a skew symmetric matrix. Now what is determinant of a matrix? The determinant of only a square matrix is defined. If A is a square matrix, then the determinant of A is denoted by mod A, or determinant of A, in which every element is the same as the corresponding element of a matrix A, and whose order is the same as that of A. Thus, if A is equal to the aijn cross n, then the determinant of A is equal to the mod A is of order n. Now this is the following example. Now the first example we take, if A is equal to the 2 by 2, जब 2 by 2 का मैट्रिक्स होगा तब हम उसका मॉड निकालेंगे, तब उसका आंसर आएगा -40 फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल का. सिमिलरली नाउ वी सॉल्व द एग्जाम्पल सेकंड, देन वी गेट द आंसर -89. Type 12 singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a singular matrix if mod A is equal to the 0. Now we take the example 1. A is equal to the 4 2 6 3 2 cross 2 का मैट्रिक्स है. Then we get the mod A is equal to the 4 2 6 3. Then we get the answer is equal to the 0. Then matrix A is a singular matrix of order 2. Now similarly the example is second. Type 13 non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a non-singular matrix if mod A is not equal to the 0. Now the example A is equal to the 2 4 -1 3 0 2 -2 1 3. Now this matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Then mod A is equal to the 2 4 -1 3 0 2 -2 1 3. Then mod A is equal to the -59, which is not equal to 0. Then matrix A is a non-singular matrix of order 3. Now the last type is transpose of a matrix. A is a matrix of order of m cross n. Then the transpose of the matrix A is obtained by interchanging the rows and column of A. It is denoted by A dash or A transpose. The order of A transpose is therefore n cross m. Now this is the example, and I will take the first example. If A is equal to the 3 2 1 4 5 7 3 cross 2 का मैट्रिक्स है A, then we get A transpose is equal to the 3 1 5 2 4 7 2 cross 3. Then I will explain the sum of the above example in the next video. So I hope आपको मेरा आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, तो सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो. थैंक यू.